Hi YouTube, my name is Taylor and I sit on the influencer partnerships team here at MagicLinks. If you aren't familiar with MagicLinks, this is the go-to channel to monetize on social and get brand deals. So if you want to start making money on social media, you're in the right place. Okay, today I'm going to talk about a creator who is killing it on YouTube. His name is Spencer Hedges, otherwise known as Painted by Spencer. So Spencer is someone that I kind of take credit for finding back in fall of 2020, with the help of my team, of course. I first cast Spencer in a Sephora campaign last fall during the fall savings event in 2020, and ever since I've recast him in all the beauty campaigns I handle. Almost all of them. The reason I recast Spencer is because time and time again, he shows proof of sales, which is always number one KPI for us here at MagicLinks. If you drive money for a campaign, you're likely going to be recast again in a similar campaign with a similar or the same brand. So today I'm going to go over 3 things about Spencer's channel that really makes him stand out. Number 1, super high quality, stunning content. There's definitely a market for lo-fi content, don't get me wrong, but at the same time, there's equally another market for high quality, beautiful, stunning content. If you look at Spencer's page, which we will later, you see that he's got professional camera, backdrop, lighting, all of the equipment necessary to make him and his models look spotless. Number 2 is product education. Because Spencer is a real life makeup artist, he's an MUA from the ground up. He knows exactly what he's talking about when he's speaking to different products, right? I'm gonna trust him to refer me to a product because he's not someone who doesn't have the education, right? He works with celebrities all the time. He's known for his amazing looks. So while watching him, I'm more likely to buy a product from him than someone else who might not know exactly what they're talking about, right? So he's got the credentials. He is an expert in the field of makeup. And so if you're someone like that as well, and you have that education background, it really behooves you to incorporate that into your channel. Number 3 is trial and error. I want to talk about a situation, an anecdote actually, of a campaign that I casted Spencer in that really proved to be a new market for him, something that he might not have thought of before prior to working with me on this campaign. So I cast Spencer in an Elemis campaign. Elemis is a luxury skincare brand, and I wasn't sure if Spencer would be the right fit here, but I really wanted to test him out because again, I have faith in him as a creator, and I really thought that he might drive for this brand. So I casted him for 1 integrated video, which then proceeded to end up being 2 integrated videos because of how well he did in the first one. And when I say well, I mean that the second he posted that video, sales for Elemis were out of the roof. I'm talking thousands of dollars that he was able to drive for a skincare brand when the creator is typically known for color cosmetics. I recasted him for another integrated video, and that one also performed super well. So today we're gonna take a look at those 2 videos and showcase why Spencer drove so much to this skincare brand. Take a look. Okay, so here is Spencer's page. As you can see, thumbnails are amazing transformations here. I think number 1, that's like eye-catching enough to get people to click on his videos, go to his channel. But I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down here to his Elemis video, his first one. So his first one, so we have 354,000 views. That's a pretty good ratio compared to the rest of his videos.
I partnered up with Elemis to show you just that today, and then I go on to create this really beautiful look on Miss Gabby. So if you all want to learn how I created this look right here, then keep on watching. So to begin, I'm taking the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, and as you see here, I'm applying a small amount to the back of my hand before applying it onto our model's skin. I'm first applying it to the general areas of the face, such as the forehead, cheeks, and chin, before I begin to really massage this product into the skin.
So I wanted to point out here that him using the cleansing balm prior to the makeup application was a unique call out the brand actually had to convey to me, because that's not normally how this cleansing balm is used, right? This cleansing balm is normally used to strip off the makeup, but what a great way to prep the skin is to like basically rid it of any like toxins, anything that is inhibiting the skin from being like as flawless as possible. Stripping that first in a gentle cleansing way and then doing makeup application. Also that way you don't see like a disgusting mess on the model's face like after applying the makeup and then taking it immediately off, right? So I thought this was a really cool way to showcase the product in a way that is inviting and calming and soothing and makes you want to try it, right? It looks so flawless on the skin. We're gonna keep watching.
Love a cleansing balm. It's a staple not only in my makeup kit, but also in my personal skincare routine. And I didn't even start using a cleansing balm until maybe a year or so ago. It's been such a game changer for me and my clients. I haven't shown this step before on my channel. Usually you see me begin with applying a moisturizer. And when I get asked how the model's skin is looking so glowy and healthy before I even start the tutorial, its chances are I used a cleansing balm to prep the skin before I started filming. I love this one from Elemis because it's a cleansing balm that when applied to dry skin, it breaks down, dissolves, and really wipes away long wear makeup and pollution and oils that have built up throughout the day.
As you can see, he's using his MUA mindset to really dive into why this product is so amazing and why you should purchase, right? He's talking about all the key attributes of the product. He's talking about how it makes his model's skin glowy before makeup application. All these things that us as women and men want on our skin before we put the makeup on. So I think that he is doing a really good job of like showcasing why this product is so amazing and speaking about it from an educational standpoint. I listen to him and I automatically think, wow, this guy knows what he's talking about. He's educated in the field. He's an expert in makeup, and I'm going to listen to him and click this link down below.
I'll apply this balm, really work it into the skin as you see here, and maybe every so often apply a dab of water to my fingertips because that's what will activate this balm to be a cleansing milk. And then you'll see me wipe it off here in just a second with a warm washcloth.
How would I have known to put water on it? Like, you know what I mean? Like, tidbits like this to make it a cleansing milk instead of a cleansing balm, who would know? Like, that's probably going to spread the product around more, really like maximize the product you have, because you'll be surprised at how quickly you run out of this stuff. Trust me, I'm already like hitting pan. So again, like little tips and tricks like that are always super crucial coming from someone like him who's an expert in the field.
They have a rose scented one and also one that is scent free for those of you who are possibly sensitive to fragrances. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of fragrances in my skincare, but this one smells so luxurious and spa-like, which is probably because of the unique blend of oils they use to create this, such as the lavender and chamomile, and I know they used eucalyptus. The smell really is divine. Anyways, as you see here, I'm wiping off the cleanser with this washcloth that it came with, and this will be the last step in cleansing the skin.
Great. So that was the first integration. That was raking in a bunch of sales. So then I said to myself, oh, I have a deliverable to meet of 15 videos. I'm sitting at 14 right now. I can't exactly nail down this final video. What am I going to do? Who am I going to cast? Am I going to have to send the brand a new list of options? No. I don't have to do that because I already have someone who's a top performer right here who probably would be more than willing to do another video considering the fact that he's seeing his sales rake in. So I went ahead and was like, Spencer, down for a second video? And he was like, yeah. So this is what he did for a second video.
Today's video has been a long time coming. Ever since I joined this little thing called social media, one of the top requests I get is to share with you all my skincare routine. And today I'm finally making that a reality. Now,
Spencer had obviously probably been getting so many asks to do a skincare video before. So happy and fortunate that he chose to do it with us. This skincare routine is on him, right? He is the model for himself, which is new. He's going out of his comfort zone, not only with the product SKU, with it being skincare based, but he's also going out of his comfort zone by doing all the application on himself, not a model. So double whammy here, going out on a limb. Hey, look, there was a reward here. We have over, almost 200,000 views on this video. Again, the sales were skyrocketing after this went live. So I want to show you kind of how he walks through this tutorial. But again, I just want to showcase the fact that it was super successful. He got down and dirty with us and showed us his skincare routine, and it paid off.
after I posted that video, y'all went crazy with ordering that, which made me so happy because You know, I'm really wanting to get more into skincare as I pursue my YouTube career here. It's something that I've always had a passion for. In fact, I had a passion for skincare before I ever did for makeup. And after that, you know, the success of that video, and after how many of you went out to go get the product, Elemis reached out and they said, hey, do you want to partner up with us again for another video? And of course, I didn't have to think twice about it because I love the product, I love the brand, and I use this product every day anyways. Now, usually I use the original one.
That like just sums up why I do this. Like, what validation to see that he was grateful for the second sponsorship. So happy for you, Spencer. So happy that you got to partner with us and Elemis on this video, and more success for him to come.
Okay, fam, thank you so much for taking this journey with me, walking through Spencer, Painted by Spencer. Go check him out if you haven't already. He is an incredible creator. So what did we learn today? Number one, if you have a knack for high quality, beautiful content and you have that creative eye, go for it. There is a market out there. Trust me. Vlogs and everything are great, but if you're someone who has that creative direction of a little bit more of a luxe niche, go for it all the way. YouTube loves that. Number two, product education. If you are an expert in your field at something, anything, and you're not sure what to focus your channel on, do what you know. Everyone needs and wants advice. That's why they come to YouTube, right? It's the number 2 search engine next to Google. There is a place on YouTube for people who are looking for the best of the best advice, tips, tricks on whatever niche you are an expert in. Number 3, trial and error, you guys. I can't say it enough. Of course, stick to your niche. Once you find your niche, narrow in and stick to it. Once in a while, throw a video into the mix that you're not sure will land or not, but then see if it does. Because if it does, wow, you've just opened yourself up to an entirely new market that you didn't even know you could tap into. It's a world of possibility when we test creative out and see what sticks. That's like the whole game of YouTube. That is the game. So Spencer did that with Elemis, and now he knows, hey, I can drive to skincare, especially a luxe skincare brand like Elemis that his subscribers can relate to. So he knew in the back of his mind, hey, this might work because my subscribers are buying Armani Beauty, but at the same time, they also need a luxe skincare to go with that makeup removal. I really think that Spencer is an amazing case study here. Again, I love working with him. Spence, if you're watching this, mwah, I can't wait to work with you on another campaign, and I can't wait to find more creators like you out there. There are more of you out there. Go ahead and apply. Click that link in our description. It'll take you right to the application page. Please submit an application. We would love to rake in as many new creators as possible. Number 2, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Also that like button on this video. We want to show you guys more content. We have so much knowledge here at MagicLinks. Our team is growing immensely, which means more creative minds are coming into the family. And we want to share our advice, expertise, tips and tricks with you guys so that you guys can grow into the creators that we end up casting for these campaigns, right? It's a circle of love. We love to share here. We love to build a network of really brilliant people. So come join our squad and apply for MagicLinks below. And we'll see you in the next one.